Okay, language explorer. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. Assume. Assume. To think about something without checking the facts to see if it's real or accurate or not. I just assumed he would do that. Yeah. I assumed it was the right answer. I guessed. I just guessed. I didn't think to check. I just assumed it was left. But I didn't look at the map. I assumed it was left. I assumed we had to turn left. I just did not look at the map. Okay? Simple as that. I assume you know the answer. Why, I assume so. Do you know the answer? She assumed I knew the answer too. She assumed I knew the answer too. I don't. But okay. Yeah. He always assumes that I'm right. She always assumes that I'm wrong without checking. Just, oh, he must be. Yeah. He always assumes to know best. Yeah. So I assume, you assume, they assume. Yeah. I assume you know the way. I assume you know the way. You assume that I know where to go. They assume I know the answers. They assume I know the answers. I assume you went there. He assumes I was with her. He assumes. It assumes. She assumes. Yeah. He assumes I was there. She assumes that I'm at the party. He assumes too much. He assumes way too much. It always assumes that I will open this document first. This document first. How cool is that? I learned to stop assuming. Very important. Yeah, don't assume, but instead look at the data. Look at the data, look at the numbers. Not just assume things. Oh, it must be correct. No. She is assuming a lot. She always assumes different things. Yeah, not good. They might assume it was you. They will assume it was you. When they see it, they will assume you did it. Yeah, they will assume you did it. I didn't do it. So they assume you did. I was with them. It can't be me. But did they ask you? Did they talk to you? Nope. They assumed you did it. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorer? So assume. So I assume, you assume, they assume, he assumes, it assumes, she assumes. How cool is that? So assume. Now, can you write assume in a sentence and put it in the comments below, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah, how cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.